We are back. We are back, aren't we? Where are we now? Find that out later. We are back. I tried to record it just now, but she kept on disturbing me. Right there. I don't know if you can see, but just right there. That person. You can. If I'm gonna leave her channel on the description. Just look at her face. Look at her. Yeah. I bet you don't know who she is. She is my sister. Well, it's mostly obvious. And I don't know if you know, but right now it's night. And it's so dark outside.
Where did you want to sleep?
Look how dark it is. Like, all the lights are turned on. Just so dark. And yeah. I decided to post a video because I didn't want to go to sleep yet and I'm bored. Anyways, today has been a very long day. Well, I guess it's because of the PSLE marking in my school. I guess that's the reason why. Anyways, I don't know what to do for this subject. So I think I don't know what I'll be calling it, but I don't know. Check out my other videos. There's origami, how to make a heart, and you can ask more ideas of our origamis in the description below. I mean, like, in the comments, yeah. Why does the beast have to sleep now? The beast is also addicted to her phone. As you know, I'm using my phone right now, which is lame and boring. Wait, did I hear this? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I need foil. Because I was. Alright. Today my group in my classroom are actually planning on making a project because my form teacher told our whole class to do it, but it seemed like only our group started first. Yeah. This episode is totally random. I don't really know what to do, and I'm bored. I'm totally getting boreder and boreder. I don't care if my quality is low, but yeah, I'm just bored. Maybe you can give me more ideas to what videos I should make more. And yeah. Say goodbye to the beast. Beast, say goodbye.
Bye.
Show your face. Show your face. I said show your face. I will leave her a channel in the link in the description below. And I hope you subscribe to both of us and see you tomorrow. Maybe. But bye-bye.